Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a little technical breakdown on the US dollar chart and explain why I'm in a odd USD buy trade. So first of all, let me draw this out here from the top of the US dollar chart, from the highs right here. So this is going to be our resistance zone. This is where we started selling from. So let's see. All right, so pulling that across from there. So we have a line in the sand, right? So once we get up into this level right here, that's the resistance zone that I think we're going to start getting some pullback from. When we hit up here, we're going to pull back. Probably going to pull back to, I would say, at least the volume point of control, which is this line, this dotted line right here with the red going through it. And this is my volume at price indicators. So this is the low volume node. That means that when price gets to this level, it could easily break through. This is a high volume node, meaning that when price gets to this level, it's hard for it to go through, right? It's hard for it to break through because it's high volume, right? So this is another low volume node. This right here is VWAP, annual VWAP. So it's annual anchored VWAP actually. So this is the upper band VWAP from the beginning of the year, right? So volume weighted at price, this is a bullish indicator. Anything above this is bullish, right? So let's see. Another high volume node right here. Low volume node. High volume node. And a low volume node, right? So as you can see, like when price goes through a low volume node, it's usually like a big candle, right? Like you see how these candles are big, they're just shooting through that. So there's less transactions there, so there's a low volume kind of price action right there. So price is kind of shooting through these areas, right? So we had the breakout here, so high volume was here from the volume pointer control from the takeoff, right? Then at this consolidation, this pullback, we had another influx of volume right there, so that created another high volume node. And then when we got the breakout, we're already in momentum mode, so there's not much volume to create right here. This was the resistance level on this candle right here, and we just shot through that, right? When we stopped, we created more volume and then broke out again. So you see how that kind of works, right? And these are just volume levels, you know what I'm saying? So some people draw like how I draw this resistance level here, that's just price action, right? That's not really with volume. That's just where the price chart, where the price is looking to stop at a certain level on the chart, right? That's just visual. So my thesis is we're definitely going to run into some resistance here. I don't know how far it's going to get, if it's going to actually get to the top of, like, at the highs, or if it's going to probably just hit here and just start coming down again, right? So the first place it's going to run into is this high volume node right here at, let's see, what level is that? At 13059, right? And then it should just cascade through. If it gets below that, it should come back here pretty easily, like to this level at 12975. So that's my little thesis on the US dollar. I think we're gonna remain bullish, but we're gonna get a pullback, right? So in preparation for that pullback, let's see. Let me go over to my quantum currency strength indicator, right? So this right here is the Australian dollar, right? This is a overbought level. This is the mean, the medium level, and this is the oversold level, right? So now we have the US dollar, which is this red line right here. It's moving down, and it crossed the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is in a bullish posture, right? It was up here, retest down on this level right here, and then it's pushing up again, right? The US dollar, however, it was very bullish, retest the oversold level, and now it's in a bearish posture, right? So this is perfect for like a Australian or USD buy, right? So let's see what else. Let's actually go to the chart. All right, let me clear up some of this stuff on the chart here. Take off the cams, the flow pivots, the money zone, session VWAP, and VPOC, and accumulation distribution. All right, so make this bigger. All right, so what do we have left? That's the weekly cameraless, right? So let's see. With support here, right? We got support at the lows at 0.68592. Had a higher low. Had a nice breakout here of this little congestion area right here. Pushed up to lower VWAP. Is that session? Yeah, that's the session VWAP. And now we're kind of holding support above like the session VWAP right here, the lower value band, right? So I'm looking for this to kind of regain some of the highs as the US dollar runs into resistance, right? And from the currency strength indicator, this is a strong currency, right? So this is probably gonna push up from here. This is my thesis anyway. It could always, you know, like retest this level, right? And then just fail. You know what I'm saying? If the dollar continues to push higher, right? But let's see here. Bringing this back a little bit. You can see this is a level where we get support, right? We're not going lower than that. So we got nice support in this area. And then we have the shoot up, a little pullback, nice push up, right? So we're looking to catch something like that again. Same kind of pattern happening here. 3 higher lows, right? And now I'm looking to get the push up again, back up to the highs. And if the US dollar cooperates, then we'll get what we're looking for, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. I have a big target on this though. I'm trying to hold this all week. So let's see. Where is my take profit? Right, so my take profit here is I'm actually shooting to, it's just like, this take profit here is like, I'm just giving it room to work, right? If this trade keeps working and we even break out like, break out these highs right here, and we keep going, like we break R5, that's the weekly R5 at, what is that? Roughly, let's see, 0.71445. You know, well, we could keep running. We could just probably break out from here. We're gonna retest this area and then keep going. And if it keeps going, then I'ma just adjust my stop, my take profit, and just let it run. You know what I'm saying? So it's more of a swing trade, you know. And let's see how much pips that is. I'm gonna have to come out of this. Let's see, from entry to, let's say the top here is 240 pips. Let's see the bottom of it right here. Or let's see the first level right here. This is 134 pips, right, at R4. So even that'll be cool, you know what I'm saying? But let's see. How I plan to trade this is add some positions as well. So what I might do is we break out here, we're gonna probably run into some resistance at R3, right? And then we're gonna probably pull back, retest this level, break out, right? And this is gonna be a resistance level here again. So let's see, what level is that? Let's draw that up there. Wait, hold on. First real resistance is around here, right? So when we break out of here, hit some resistance, pull back, retest R2, break out of this resistance here, pull back, retest, and aim towards R4, right? So maybe this could happen this week, maybe not, but we'll see what's going on by like Wednesday, Thursday, see what's happening, if it's actually making those kind of moves. And if not, then we'll probably try and, you know, catch a break-even trade. Like if it does push up, runs in, oh, hold on, like let's say it does this, run into resistance, pulls back, dips below, retest this level again, pushes up and starts failing here and coming back, then it's time to break even that trade, right? Because it's not giving the push up, right? So that's how I plan to kind of manage this trade, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. This is my Audusd live trade. It's a swing trade for this week, and about to add some positions here. If we get like a nice little breakout, retest, and another breakout or something like that, like just showing some strength off of this level to run into R3 and this pivot level. If we see some strength, the US dollar is breaking down, I'm gonna add to the position here and probably put a stop like somewhere here, you know what I'm saying? Break even this trade and put that added trade, put that stop somewhere around here, you know? And that's the plan. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.